Base idea for converting to nines complement is in step 2. You want to know about convert a decimal number to a tens complement. Attained nines complement number. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Sai Suriyas Academy. If you are new to my channel, then hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos. In today's video, we are going to discuss about nines complement and tens complement. This can be done in 3 simple steps. In step 1, you want to know about how to convert a decimal number to a nines complement. In step 2, you want to know about how to convert a decimal number to a tens complement. In step 3, after knowing step 1 and 2, you can now be able to convert or solve any decimal number to nines complement and a tens complement. In today's video, we are going to discuss about 4 examples here. In the example 1 and 2, we will be converting a decimal number to a nines complement. In example 3 and 4, we will be converting a decimal number to a tens complement. Now moving on to example 1. The base idea for converting to nines complement is the decimal number has to be, each digit of the decimal number has to be subtracted by 9. Suppose if we have a 2-digit decimal number, then it has to be subtracted by 2 nines. Suppose if we have a 6-digit decimal number, then it has to be subtracted by 6 nines. That is, each digit has to be subtracted by 9. Consider an example. In example 1, the decimal number what we have taken is 8366521. Now we want to convert this number to a nines complement. So this number, decimal number has to be subtracted, each digit has to be subtracted by 9. So here I have taken, it has 6 digits, so 6 nines has been placed, and from each 9 the concerned decimal digit is subtracted. Consider 9 minus 1 8, 9 minus 2 7, 9 minus 5 4, 9 minus 6 3, similarly 9 minus 8 1. This is the decimal number and we are subtracting from 9, and this is the attained nines complement. The attained nines complement number is 163478. Consider another example. The decimal number given here is 689057. We have to subtract each digit by 9 for converting to a nines complement. So 6 digits 9 are taken. The number 689057 is written here, the decimal number, the given decimal number. So 9 minus 7 2, 9 minus 5 4, 9 minus 0 9, 9 minus 9 0, similarly 9 minus 8 1, 9 minus 6 3. So the attained nines complement number is 310942. Now you will be very clear about the nines complement. Now we want to move on to the tens complement. The base idea for the tens complement is, we have to first convert the given decimal number to a nines complement, and then you have to add 1 to the last digit of the attained nines complement number. Okay, now moving on to example. The given decimal number in example 3 is 624159. This is the given decimal number. What we have to do is, we have to convert to a nines complement. So the number is 6 digits, it consists of 6 digits, so 6 nines has been placed here and the decimal number has been written here, 624159. Here we are subtracting from 9 by each digit 9. So 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 5 4, similarly it is continued till last digit 9 minus 6 3. So the attained nines complement number is 37580. Since we are already aware about how a decimal subtraction or decimal addition is done, so I am moving on quickly. The attained nines complement is 375840. Now for this is the nines complement. For converting to tens complement, we have to add a 1 to the last digit of the nines complement. So here 1 is placed, 0 plus 1, 1. So the other nines complement number is written as it is, 37584, written as it is. So 375840, the attained nines complement plus 1, which gives 375841, which is the attained tens complement. And now consider another example. The given decimal number is 739050. First we have to convert to nines complement and then we have to add 1 to the last digit. So here the decimal number is 6 digits, so 6 nines are placed here and it is subtracted and we are getting a nines complement number 9 minus 0, 0. Similarly it is continued till 9 minus 7, 2. The attained nines complement number is 260949. Now for converting to tens complement, we are adding a 1 to the last digit of the nines complement number. So here 9 plus 1, which gives 10, a remainder 1. So 1 plus 4, the next digit is 4, 1 plus 4, 5. The other digits are repeated as it is. So the attained tens complement number is 260950. Okay, now you will be clear about the nines complement and tens complement. A small recap. For converting a decimal number to nines complement, we have to subtract each digit of the decimal number by 9 and the attained number is the nines complement number. For a tens complement number, we have to first convert to nines complement and we have to add 1 to the last digit of the nines complement. So subtract the number by 9 and then the nines complement is attained, and then by adding a 1 to the last digit of the nines complement, we are getting the tens complement of the number. Okay. If you find this video is really useful, share this video with your friends. Make a small appreciation comment, thank you in the comment section. And that's all for today's video. Keep supporting Sai Suriyas Academy. Thank you.